Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups that come from the website Swanklr.club. Swanklr.club. It's a website that may suddenly start attacking your browser, and its mission is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Certain people may suddenly see these pop-ups on their computer's screen. And it is very dangerous to interact with these fake alerts. They claim to be related to some decent software developer, but they are not related to that software developer at all. And if you start interacting with these pop-ups, you may be forwarded to some other malicious website, depending on your original settings. And in some cases, you may simply be forced to download and install some other potentially unwanted software. So please be very careful. Do not ever interact with these fake alerts. Do not trust their deceptive content. Sometimes the unusual behavior of your browser may be explained by the presence of some adware-type program in your system. Go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, click on Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, find Permissions, and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications and carefully remove all the junk sites you might find here on this list. Including those malicious sites in the block area. They also should be deleted from the system. To make sure that your computer is free of any other hidden threats, I strongly advise that you scan your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. So, Combo Cleaner is the great software for fixing both Windows and Mac computers. After you download and install the software called Combo Cleaner, it will first of all start updating its antivirus database. This is for proper malware detection and elimination. Initially, the program is in the trial mode. However, there are certain absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So simply wait until the antivirus database is updated and then click on Start Combo Scan button. So after you have started scanning the computer, Combo Cleaner will begin detecting the threats that could possibly be hidden on your system. As I said, its trial version will also optimize your computer, make it faster, and it will help you to get rid of big files and detect duplicates files. But most importantly, Combo Cleaner Premium version has got the antivirus tool that can help you detect and delete any other threats that could possibly be hidden on your computer. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Report is that it will give you the locations of all threats that were found during the scan. So you may click on Review Results at the end of scan. You'll see the location of each specific threat. You may remove it manually or consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to detect and delete these threats automatically.